How to create Zapier account. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. As you can see right now, we are currently at Zapier.com and I'm going to teach you how you could create your account in Zapier. As you can see here on our screen right now, we have two ways. We could start free with our email or start free with Google. You could choose any of this option depending on what you would like. You could start with free with email over here, and you would be redirected to this page where you're going to have to type in your work email, first name, and last name over here. If ever you change your mind, you could also sign up with Google, Facebook, or Microsoft over here. You could choose any of this option and it is completely up to you. Now after signing up or signing in, this is what you're going to finally see. And now you would be able to use Zapier to integrate different applications that you would like. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.